Fetch AI at the time of this recording continues to hold above a key area of support above the $1.48 and above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which are both acting as support for us to continue pushing even higher. And on today's video, I will be discussing the key areas of supports that we need to continue holding, and also discuss an additive structure that is playing out here on the Fetch AI chart. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 5th of August. You can see that we started a very nice recovery to the upside, where we peaked in this 5-wave structure in a move that gave us a high above the $1.75, completing an even larger additive count 1. And after we picked in that larger additive count 1, whatever I was expecting next was a bit of a short-term pullback in an additive count 2, whose minimum target areas can be given by pulling the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of this additive count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78 as a maximum. And that means that my target area lies between the 1.225 and the 0.926, which is the area over here. And this is an area that I'm expecting that Fetch AI is going to fully maximize in the next coming days. And once we fully maximize that target area, then I will be expecting a very aggressive bounce to the upside in a wave 3 that can easily get us back above the $2 in the next coming days or maybe weeks. And having in mind that whatever we are seeing at the moment is a pullback in these additive count 2, and we are yet to fully maximize the minimum target areas, then there are high chances that whatever is playing out over here is an ABC corrective structure, where we can term these as a wave A. And the bounce that we are seeing at the moment is a bounce in this wave B before we can finally see one more new low in a wave C, fully maximizing the minimum target areas and giving us the low for this second wave. And if this is the case, then we can get the minimum target areas for this wave B by connecting the Fibonacci's from the high of this wave A to the low of the wave A, and that gives me a minimum target area for the wave B between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and that lies between the 1.586 and the 1.536, which is the area over here. So in case in the next coming hours we get a rejection within this area over here, then that will be suggesting that we have a high in place for this wave B, and we can finally see one more new low in a wave C, fully maximizing our minimum target area. And if by any chance we manage to break above the upper side of this minimum target area and also manage to break above significant highs, then that will be suggesting that we have a shallow wave 2 over here, and the start of an impulsive additive count 3 could just be getting started. So that is the alternative scenario that we need to have in mind. But the most optimal scenario is that we are going to get rejected over here and continue seeing this short-term pullback into the minimum target areas, into an area within which I will consider to DCA into Fetch AI, expecting a massive bounce in an additive count 3. So that is the price action that I'm expecting to play out here on the VChain chart for the next coming hours and also days. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.